So the crazy part about opening door number 5 is that it's just hit me that it's 20 days until Christmas and I still haven't done any of my Christmas shopping. Door number 5, oh my gosh, that's heavy. I'm going to hazard a guess, and because it's like a jar, that this is going to be something like a face cream or a face mask. I love Elemis. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream and Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. I absolutely love Elemis skincare. Elemis skincare is like the first brand that I really got into when I delved into like luxury skincare, and it's pricey for what you get. I want to have a smell of what is in here. It's always so professionally packaged, very elegant looking. Oh wow, that smells very perfumey. Whew. I think Elemis packaging is so elegant, like the mirrored top, the faux glass outer packaging. It makes it seem like there is a lot more than there is, because as you can see beyond that tiny sticker is the tiny well of cream, but it definitely is a very elegant, very vanity worthy little pot of cream. It smells really perfumey, so I'm not sure how that is going to work on my skin personally, because my skin is very sensitive. This product apparently reduces the appearance of wrinkles and improves skin firmness and hydration. Let's have a little read of the information leaflet. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and increase moisture levels in the skin, this cream is a revolutionary anti-aging product applied to cleanse skin daily for a revitalized complexion. It doesn't really tell you too much about the product or how they got to the marine name on the cream. I assume that it's got something like seaweed in it. This has SPF 30 in it, which is amazing for a day cream, anti-wrinkle cream, any kind of product that you wear throughout the day. Now obviously that doesn't mean that it lasts all day as an SPF 30. You should still definitely wear your sunscreen on top of that. But for someone like me who has lupus, it's really important to be protected from the sun, because the sun can be a trigger. I don't think I really flare at all when it comes to the sun with UV rays, but I know some of my lupus family really do suffer. So an SPF 30 when you usually only see SPF 15 or SPF 25 is really, really cool. So what did you think of me unboxing day number 5 for the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream? I am actually really stoked about this. We are 20 days away from Christmas Day. We are 20 days away from the big day, and there are still 20 boxes to go in here. So tune back in tomorrow for the 6th of December when I open box number 6. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.